Hey friends, welcome to today's video and welcome to my bathroom. I have filmed a few videos out of here, but I always like mixing it up. It's always, I think, nice when you pop on and you see someone outside of their element. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial video. I'm going to share with you how I get my kind of loose, relaxed, beachy waves using a new hair tool that I'm so excited. I purchased it a week ago and I'm loving it. So I'm going to share that with you, and I'm also going to share a couple of tips and tricks and products that I use to keep my hair shiny, healthy, and frizz free. I do want to thank Lily Silk for sponsoring this video. Lily Silk is an online retailer that sells all things silk. They sell so many different products all around silk. Today I'm wearing their silk black cami, which feels so nice and is so lightweight. I'm wearing it in an extra small. I love it. You can lounge around in it. I'm actually wearing it with a pair of jean shorts. I wish you could see it. And I thought it'd be a little too dressy for the jean shorts, but it actually works really well. I think you can't go wrong with the simple black cami. You know, there's so many different ways to wear it. But I'm going to be sharing a couple other products of theirs that have really helped keep my hair in a healthy state and kind of minimize frizz. So let me talk to you about my hair today. I washed my hair yesterday and I slept on it. I haven't styled it today. This is what it looks like. I did do a pretty fair job yesterday of blowing it out. So I do think that it looks a little bit better than normal. Usually when I sleep on hair that's a day old, I can wake up and it's real frizzy, especially if you have it in a ponytail. It can be real frizzy at the top and a mess and totally look like bedhead. I have recently been using a silk pillowcase from Lily Silk, and you guys, I don't know why I waited so long to use a silk pillowcase. I don't know why. It makes the world of difference in your hair. I mean, I wake up and my hair is smooth. It's not like frizzy and messy. It doesn't look like I stuck my finger in a socket. It looks smooth. So some of the benefits of using a silk pillowcase is that it's not only great for your hair, but also your skin. It doesn't absorb moisture. So it's not like kind of stripping your skin of moisture, or it's not stripping your skin of the products that you're using at night. So it can really be a great anti-aging and kind of like way to treat yourself, a luxurious product to enhance your sleep, you could say. I also want to share these silk scrunchies, and we're going to be using these in the hair tutorial, which we're just about to get in, but these are by Lily Silk, and I've actually been wearing silk scrunchies for a long time, but I want to show you guys the difference. So this is one that I've had for a while from another brand. You see how loose that is? This is Lily Silk's. Lily Silk's does such a great job of actually holding the hair up. When I would use these, I would have to I'd have to wrap it around as a lot of times just to get my hair to stay, but I couldn't work out in it because and sometimes I've been on my Peloton bike with this, but it wouldn't really support my hair. These support your hair. So I bought the I got the 4-pack. I didn't buy it, they were sent to me, but I got the 4-pack, and it comes in different sizes. I am lacking the really tiny one, but these are the different sizes. You can see that they have a lot of support, like they really hold your hair, and I have a lot of thick hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in the tutorial. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to section my hair off. So I am going to kind of put about that much of it up with the hair tie. The thing I love, sorry, I should probably talk this way since I don't have my mic. The thing I love about silk hair ties is they don't damage your hair. It's not going to pull your hair, which can damage your hair. They feel and glide out of the hair so smoothly and easily. I do have a discount code for you guys that I'll put here for you. It's 12% off on their website, so be sure and check that out. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to get started with curling my hair. I don't apply any product in my hair first, okay? I'm just going to leave it like so. I will use a product at the end to finish it, but I'm going to take my curling iron. This is the GHD Curve, okay? It is the 1 1/4 inch. Now, I had always been using the T3 iron, which I like, but what I noticed with this is it gives me a more relaxed curl, which I was going for. I noticed the T3 was making my curls very voluptuous. They were pretty, but they were just not, they almost felt like too much for a casual day. You know what I mean? It felt like my hair was just too much for a day that I wanted to wear shorts and a tank top. So I wanted something that was going to give a more beachy type of look. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take small sections of hair, because I have thick hair. My hair's thick, so I can't take big sections. So I'm going to take a small section here. And what I do is I take the curling iron and I start kind of close to the root and kind of slide it down to smooth it. And I'm going to pull it, but I'm going to leave a little bit out. You can see I'm not taking all of it. I'm leaving a little bit out. I'm gonna bring it to close to the root. I'm gonna leave it for a second and then I'm gonna pull it down, okay? The key really is not leaving it too long. If you leave it too long, you're gonna get tighter curls, and that is not what I want. I want very loose, relaxed curls. So here we go. Go right in here, get as close as I can to kind of smooth that out. That's really where a lot of us hold frizz, is right here at the root. So you want to make sure that you bring that heat as close as you can without burning yourself and slide it down to smooth it out and reduce that frizz. Okay, so this is what you have. I'm not going to run my fingers through it. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'm actually going to do all of the head and then go, and then I'll, once they're all set and cooled, then I will go back and run my fingers through it. But here, run it down, leave the ends out, hold it here. You're just gonna hold it for, I don't know, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, pull it down. What I love about this curling iron too is it doesn't tug your hair either. I did notice with the T3, I couldn't really slide it down like that. I would have to open the clamps up, which also is gonna make the curl a little bigger. And I'd have to open the clamps up to release it, because if I pulled on it, it would tug my hair a little bit. So I like that this one is so, oh, wow, I burned my hair. I like that this one is so smooth. I mean, you can just slide it off and it doesn't tug the hair. All right, perfect. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna take the next section out. I'm gonna take my little silk scrunchie out. I love these scrunchies too because they don't, while they hold your hair really well, they don't put a like real sharp crease in my hair either. So when I'm doing a style like this where I'm sectioning it off, I'm not gonna get that hard crease. I really, really love them. All right, and then we're gonna start here. I feel like I should look in the mirror and not the camera because I'm gonna burn myself. All right, I don't know why that's funny. That's not funny. Okay, pull it down. Do you see what that does? It just gives a nice, relaxed curl. Very more casual. Beachy, right? That's what we're going for. All right. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. I'm gonna speed things up and then we will get back to some other products that I love and use to reduce frizz. Okay, one other thing that I haven't mentioned yet, but hopefully you've noticed, is I am curling the hair away from me, right? Away from my face. So if you notice, I'm turning my hand and the curling iron back, right? I'm not curling it towards my hair. I like to do it that way. I know some people like to alternate, you know, and curl some towards, some back, but I find that I really love the look of it all kind of going away from my face. All right, we're almost there. So I'm gonna do this last section, and I kind of always like to part my hair a little bit to the side. Okay. Pretty, so nice. It's so easy, you guys. I used to be so intimidated to curl my hair, and I think it's something I just kind of got down the last couple years. At my late 30s, I never knew how to curl it before. And I'll tell you why. Because I have thick hair and it's hard to style. It really is. Because it would always look too big or too frizzy. So as I've gotten older, I've learned what works for me and my hair. All right. So again, the key is keeping it in for just a second. All right, let's do this last piece. This is the piece that always you want to get perfect. So you start at the root, smooth it back, leave a little bit out and turn it, and let it just slide out. There we go, yeah. Okay, so now let's turn that curling iron off. Okay. Okay, while this is cooling, I want to share one other product that is seriously has made such a difference in frizziness in my hair, and that is the Colleen Rothschild Quench and Shine Mask. I have been singing this product praises since it launched, maybe last year, the year before. It is my favorite conditioner. Everyone in my house uses it. We love it. Paul even uses it. It has this scent. I love the scent of it. It smells really, really good. It's a leave-in mask, but because I only wash my hair twice, maybe 3 times a week, I'll actually use this as my conditioner. I will just be very careful that I don't use too much. If you have fine, thin hair, it can weigh it down. So make sure you don't use a lot of it. This is a brand new jar of it. See, it's a very, very thick product. This leaves the hair so silky and shiny. I mean, you can even feel it as soon as you rinse it out and you feel your hair. There's a dramatic difference in the way that it feels after you use this, even one time. It's amazing. So I really love this, and I think that this helps contribute with, frizz. Okay, so now that my hair has had time to cool, I'm gonna take this product. This is the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray, and I'm going to shake it up, and I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna step back so I don't get it in my camera. I'm gonna spray it in my hair all over. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and then I am just gonna kind of play with the hair a little bit with my fingers. Just play with it a little bit till I get the level of curl that I want. And I actually think I don't really need to do more than that. I think that curling iron just kind of got it exactly how I want it. There's volume, but the curls are nice and relaxed and they're not too tight, which I love. Oh, I love that. All right, so that is it. That is the hair. Super quick, simple. I think I've been filming for like 12 minutes, but you could totally knock this hairstyle out in, like, depending on your hair, I don't know, 5 to 10. I want to leave a couple of notes about Lily Silk. I do have that 12% discount code that I will have here on the screen, but I'll also have it linked in the description box. A few things that I would personally recommend from their website is the 4-pack of the scrunchies, okay? Don't get the 1-pack. The 4-pack is a better deal, and you're gonna get different sizes. Seriously, the best silk scrunchies that I have ever used. I mean, just compare, you guys. This is one that I've had for a while, and then these are the, look at this. Like, this is actually gonna hold the hair up, and you're still gonna have that quality and those benefits of the silk scrunchie where it's not gonna pull your hair, it's gonna be gentle on the hair, and it's gonna be good for your hair. So definitely stock up, do the 4-pack. And then the pillowcase. Seriously, I don't know why I waited so long to get a pillowcase. I don't know why. I will have those 2 products linked down below. And then if you're curious about my cami, I'm wearing a size extra small and it fits perfectly. I wouldn't go up or down. I don't know if they have a smaller size, but it's actually perfect. So yeah, I want to thank Lily Silk for partnering with me on this video, and I want to thank you guys for watching it. As always, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.